guys, it's Dylan here at Jordan Bikes, and today we have for sale a Honda CB1000R. This one is a 2015 on a 15 plate, and it's done 15,622 miles from new. As you can see, loads of extras all over the place. You've got a nice tinted screen, you've got a Hawk exhaust, some protection around the place, but it is a proper nice bike. As you can see, aftermarket indicators, and if you look in there, you've got a nice radiator guard as well. These of course come with ABS, Pazzo levers as well, so not the cheap Chinese ones, some proper expensive Pazzo ones. Obviously R&Gs that I mentioned before, in the event you do drop it, it is protected. This one's got the nice red frame as well, so that looks awesome, and this exhaust does sound amazing. I'll give it a starter for you in just a moment. Round the back you've got a tail tidy and of course aftermarket indicators there, and these have a full digital display. So if I turn that on, you get your revs across the top, a bit like a ZX10. Obviously speed, fuel gauge, everything is all digital on these. So over on this side again, not much to say really. R&G on this side too. This bike has also got the belly pan fitted to it as well, which is an aftermarket part just to finish off the look, and it's also got a nice hugger and chain guard there by Pyramid Plastics. Right, let's give it a start up so you can have a listen. Do sound awesome, these bikes. So if you do fancy it, please give us a call or pop down to the showroom and we'll get it sorted for you. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.